Hello, everybody. My name is Lalo Hidalgo. I go by TH. And this morning, I'm going to talk about CMT blades, 7 1/4, one of our three most popular ones. And let me start with our number one blade, the gravity blade. And as you can see, it has a special design, very different to anything that you see in the market. And these holes here are to make this blade lighter. It makes it a low density mass play blade, which means it goes faster as well. And also it will run cooler. It has a special design on the teeth. We have more carbide on it to be able to cut even thicker wood, although it's basically designed for a 2x4 framer. One of the common questions that we get is, will this blade warp? Because it doesn't have the same density as the other blades. For example, Diablo, and it won't. So I mean, this has been already proven and tested in the field. And let me tell you a little bit about this blade history behind it. The designer, his name is Giorgio Ponzo. He and his family used to own Freud, and they were the original designers of the Diablo blade back then. Now he's working for us. He's head of engineering team, and we asked him to come with a blade that will compete head to head with Diablo. And if he had been with Diablo now, I think that this will be the new design of the blade. So you're looking at technology applied today versus the old design that Diablo has, technology when it was designed over 20 years ago. So very good blade. And like I said, sell with confidence, is made to compete head to head with the benchmark right now in the market. And I believe that when you put it in the hands of the framers, all the positive feedback will be there.
Y lo demás parejo, todas cortas igual. No, sí está bien. Y jala, en vez de que te... Por la propaganda te voy a cobrar ahí algo ahí extra ahí.
Allá va.
Now, on the same design, we have a demolition blade. It's a little bit different on the design of the teeth. The teeth here are designed to resist or withstand more impact with the nails. And you can go into YouTube and you can just Google, put the name CMT demolition blade, and you will find a video where it proves to you how many nails can it cut.
Hi everyone, this is Keith from CMT Orange Tools, and today we're going to be testing CMT's new 7 1/4 Extreme Demolition Demo Blade against the two most popular 7 1/4 demo blades on the market, the Diablo Demo Demon and the DeWalt DWAW 71424. To really challenge these blades, we're going to be testing them in a loose nail application, which allows the nail to move slightly during cutting. This is a much more difficult test for a demo blade and is truly what you will experience in the field while doing any demolition work. The fully embedded nail test that our competitors Diablo and DeWalt conduct is much easier on the blade since the nails are held in place solidly by the wood. First up is the Diablo Demo Demon. As you can see, it is starting out okay, but within 12 nails cut, the Diablo blade has lost 17 out of its 24 carbide teeth. Pretty much you need to toss this blade in the trash and put another blade on to complete any more cuts. Next up is the DeWalt Demo Blade. This blade is off to a slightly better start than the Diablo, but as you can see, at 16 nails cut, the DeWalt blade has lost 14 of its 24 carbide teeth. Once again, the only way to continue to cut is to put a new blade on your saw. Now let's give the new CMT Extreme Demolition Blade a try. This blade uses a patented low-mass plate design and exclusive secured tooth geometry to provide a reduced blade mass and superior nail impact resistance, which produces substantial cutting efficiency over other traditional demo blades. In the first pass, you can see the CMT blade has cut more than double the other blades, with 40 nails cut and 0 teeth lost. Wow! Now 80 nails cut, and only 1 tooth has been lost on the CMT blade. The CMT blade keeps cutting at 120 nails cut, still only 1 tooth lost. "320 nails cut, and still only 1 tooth has been lost." The CMT blade has outperformed both the Diablo Demo Demon and the DeWalt Demo Blade by more than 20 times, and it is still going strong. Try it for yourself.
And so a framing blade and a demolition blade are 2 different things. One is to make to cut 2x4, very soft wood, and a demolition blade is made to cut through nails. So this is more for a remodeler or somebody who is dealing with maybe an old deck or a fence or similar trades. So remodelers are going to be attracted more to a demolition blade, and framers are going to be attracted more to a framing blade. But the main and key difference between the 2 of them is that the demolition blade will withstand more impact with the nails, and it will cut perhaps over 200 nails or more in our test has revealed. And it will definitely be on top of the competition. And like I said, I encourage you to go to YouTube and put the name CMT Demolition Blade, and you'll see a video there of what I'm talking about. Lastly, this morning, I want to talk about our Hardy blade. So if I were in a sales call, this will be the 3 blades that I will take along with me. It will be the zero gravity blade, which is your framing blade, the demolition blade, 007 license to cut, and I will take this Hardy blade. So this Hardy blade is basically a diamond, has 4 teeth, very similar design to everybody else. We're working now in making one that you will see perhaps in another 3 or 4 months that will look exactly as the gravity blade, but it will be for Hardy. But for the time being, those are the 3 blades that I will take. The Hardy blade, good quality price point. This will open the eyes of anybody who is in the business of cutting fiber cement. Demolition blade for your remodelers. And lastly, or perhaps the most important of all, the one that started everything with this type of design, is the framing blade or zero gravity blade. And like I said, designed by Giorgio Ponzo, who used to own Freud and designed the Diablo blade. And now, with new technology, he came out with this blade for the market. And I think it will do very well in your area, and is eye-catching, and is something new for your customers. Thank you.